Hello, hello. So even though I live by, I wish a beach would try to find me, I still erased deleted, scraped off my address because even though I say I wish a beach would, I still like to protect myself. Oh, you see my knife? This is not a knife tutorial, but like, yes, yes, yes. I love this knife so much. I have so many more knives. All right, we're just gonna put that away. And we're going to show what I got. All right. So we got some Monat. All right, so we're just gonna ask the Google how to say this because I don't want to be rude of how to pronounce that. Monat. I guess it doesn't give a Google how to say Monat, but we're just gonna say Monat. All right, this is just extra stuff that the frosting has. Ooh, okay. I got a little, you dig, I got a little spice to put, like if I have extra, stuff. And, I can put it in here, oh, yes. Yes. I think, what is this? Headbands? All right. I like feeling the terry cloth. I do like feeling the terry cloth. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, this feels good. Yeah, this is a little head it keeps the hair, from being too wet. All right. What else we got up in here? Oh, we got the Berry Refine Scrub. It's for mask exfoliate stimulate. Check that out. Yes. All right. What else we got up in here? Ooh, soothing deep conditioner. What? I already took a shower this morning and did what I gotta do, but I'm gonna definitely use this. What? And got the shampoo. Ooh, the sleek packaging. It's kind of awesome. And then we got a leave-in hair perfector. What? Hold on. I feel like it's not. There it is. There it is. All right. And then, oh wait, I already looked at that one. I should have just put it over here with the rest of them. We got the dry texturizing spray. I don't really use too much hairspray in my hair, but best believe when I do use hairspray, it's gonna be this one. But best believe I'm going to use all of these. This was my little unboxing of the Monat. I feel like I'm a bad person for not pronouncing it right, but like words and me, it's kind of difficult. But I'm actually kind of excited to use this, especially this, because I be just putting my hair, so I take twice a showers, depending what I do in the afternoon, sometimes 3. It just really just depends on what I'm doing or what exactly time of the month it is, if I have to take more than 1 shower. But I'm definitely gonna use these. My hair is gonna be looking beautiful. I cannot wait. Yeah, Studio One texturizing. Yeah. Yes, I cannot wait to use this. Especially this I wonder how to use after tap. Oh, nice. Okay, so it is skincare because I was literally my slow self was probably going to immediately put this in my hair. So I'm glad I read the instructions. It's for a face mask. So I definitely need a face mask to be, up in this face. But when I use it, I'm definitely going to let you know how it feels in my hair and what it looks like, because this is what my hair looks like. I only been using the serum that my friend gave me because this is all my friend's company and I cannot wait to use this, and it's gonna be amazing. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it, you know, a thumbs up if you want to. That's just totally if you want to. I'm not forcing you to do anything you don't want to do, but you know you liked it. You know you like my energy. Oh snap. My thing almost fell again, but it was this time my fault. Alright, but have an amazing day. I hope you stay hydrated. I hope you ate all your foods today. And stay classy. Alright, bye.